Hey there, welcome back to Northlight Photographic Workshops. Yeah, that's right, I brought you to Toronto. Came here to get some culture, some city life, see a great band called the Rheostatics, and bring you along on my first ever in-person studio visit. And this is with a very great printer, great friend of mine for many years, probably one of the better printers in the whole world, in Canada specifically. Here he is, the great Bob Carnie himself. Hey Bob, how you doing? I was just coming down the street and saw you pulling in the sign. Let's go.
Okay.
Let's go on in.
Yeah.
How you been?
Good. How are you?
Good. Good to see you. Want me to carry that?
No. Don't worry about me.
Yeah,
I'm
no.
an old man.
Hey, 70 years old. You're doing good there.
Don't worry about me, Bill.
All right. Here we go. This is going to be fun.